how to log in Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll be showing the ways to log in into your Facebook account. So then, to log in into your Facebook account, first thing first, you'll need to go ahead and update or install the application. So for that, go to your Play Store and on the search box type in Facebook. So if you've already installed the application, then tap the update button, and if you've not installed the application, then tap the install button. Once the application is completely installed, go ahead and open the Facebook application. Now in my case, I already have a Facebook account and I have a multiple account. But if you're new to Facebook and you only want to log in into your Facebook account, then what you'll have to do is you need to go ahead and tap the login button located right at the bottom. As soon as you do that, you'll be asked to provide in your mobile number or an email address and the password associated with your Facebook account. And if you have forgotten your information, you can go ahead and tap on forgot password located right at the bottom. Here you'll be provided with the instructions on how you can actually recover your account. So in this way you can log in into your Facebook account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.